I'm Rich Tanis.
And I'm Rod Tanis.
We're the Rctwins.
Yes, we are.
Rod and I want to thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of our next video. Thanks again. Now usually battery trays, something that looks like this. It's either glued into the airplane or maybe even screwed into the airplane. But if it doesn't come in and out really nice, it's just going to keep you from wanting to fly that airplane because the batteries are a pain in the butt to get in. You got to stand on your head or something else. How about we have something like this? We'll put Velcro hook and loop right on here, stick it all on there really good. The tongue here will stick into a block up in the front of the airplane. And these two pegs that stick out on that crossbar will lock underneath a couple of blocks that lock it down. Then the latch that's in the back will drop into a hole. So this thing goes in, it slides forward, drops into a hole. It just makes putting batteries in the airplane into nothing. You can see I've got the piece in the airplane now, and that tongue goes up underneath that block in the front. There's a couple of hook blocks on each side. We'll just take and push down, slide forward, snap. That latch drops into a hole underneath, and now the thing is locked in. It can't come up, it can't come back, and it's locked in the front. Got rails in the front that the slide goes underneath. Catch blocks and ramps right in there. Here it is. Just drops right in. Voila. When you want to put batteries in this gorgeous cub here, you take and put them on this sled. It's got Velcro underneath, got the strapper on it, a latch right there. You just put it in here like this. Just flip a little latch, and we're done here.